స్పీకర్ పోడియం దగ్గర మహిళా ఎంపీలు నిలబడితే తప్పేంటన్నారు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీ ప్రియాంక గాంధీ. మోదీ లోక్సభకు హాజరు కాకపోవడంపై స్పీకర్ కార్యాలయం అబద్దాలు చెప్పిందన్నారు. ప్రధాని మోదీ సభకు రాకుండా తప్పించుకుంటున్నారని ఆరోపించారు. స్పీకర్ వెనుక మోదీ దాక్కుంటున్నారని ఫైర్ అయ్యారు కాంగ్రెస్ ఎంపీలు.
So the women MPs were standing in front of the Treasury bench. So what? And the Prime Minister, the absolute lies. It is an absolute lie. There is no question of anybody raising any hands on the Prime Minister, trying to hurt him or any such thing. There is no question. So it is absolutely wrong of anybody to say that there was any such plan. There was no such plan. But if you're going to allow your members to stand and quote books and talk nonsense, then this side, the opposition benches are going to protest. And I'm sorry, but the Prime Minister is now hiding behind the Speaker. They are making the Speaker say all this. Because yesterday he did not have the guts to come in the House. What? Because 3 women were standing in front of his bench? What nonsense is this? I would like to know, have you asked them? Have you asked Amit Shah ji? Have you asked the Prime Minister? Have you asked the government why they are not allowing the LOP to speak? Do they have any basis to stop him from quoting a published source? They do not. So don't continuously every day ask this question to the opposition. The fact is, no, there is no discussion because the government does not want to discuss anything. That is the fact.
I am totally disagreeing with the statement of Honorable Speaker. I have full respect to Speaker, but unfortunately, BJP Modi government made Speaker to give a statement like he got a message that some ladies will attack the Prime Minister if he comes to the Lok Sabha. That is why Speaker told PM not to come. Will it happen in any democratic parliamentary system? No. There are marshals in the parliament. Even if he got some message like that, he should call the marshals and keep them there. Whoever is coming near to Prime Minister, they will take away. That must be the action. Instead, you have made Prime Minister to come to Parliament and give reply to President's address. This is most unfortunate. This is totally against the rules and procedures of parliamentary democracy and constitution. Prime Minister is one of the very important person who has to come and reply to President's address. That is the procedure. It is very unfortunate. This is not correct. He has not come because he doesn't have the real reply. While giving reply, opposition will ask other questions which he doesn't want to answer. He has no answer. That is why he could not come.
नहीं, मैंने वही कहा कि भैया हम अगर संसदीय लोकशाही में अध्यक्ष के पास जाके अगर कोई चीज़ कहते हैं, उनको विनती करते हैं कि एक जगह पे आप पक्षपातीपना करते हैं पूरी तरह से कि आप निशिकांत दुबे जब भी खड़ा होता है उसका माइक शुरू होता है और LOP जब देश की सुरक्षा की बात करते, चाइना की घुसखोरी की बात करते, आप माइक बंद कर देते हैं. और वो किस चीज़ की बात कर रहा था? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, इंदिरा जी और सोनिया जी के बारे में अश्लील बातें कर रहा था और माइक चालू है उसको बोलने का पूरा आज़ादी है. क्यों? आप उसको रोक नहीं सकते. आप विरोधी पक्ष नेता को बोलने कैसे रोक सकते हो? उनका भाषण का बार बार माइक बंद करा सकते हो. डिस्टर्ब किए जाते हैं उनके भाषण में. तो हमारा कहना इतना ही था कि हमें भी न्याय मिलना चाहिए. तो ये जो बोल रहे हैं ना, एक बैनर लेके गए थे महिलाएं, एक बैनर से डर गए
कि आपने अपना अधिकार क्षेत्र जताते हुए भाषण दिया कि नहीं दिया. प्रधानमंत्री हैं, सर्वोच्च हैं, आपका निर्णय है, आपकी सरकार का निर्णय है. मुद्दा ये है कि जो विपक्ष प्रतिपक्ष नेता हैं उनको अगर आप अवसर नहीं देंगे ऐसे मुद्दे उठाने के, उसको निरस्त करिए, रिजेक्ट करिए, मनाही करिए, लेकिन उनको अवसर ही नहीं देते आप, तो काम कैसे चलेगा? मूल मुद्दा ये है, जब गणतंत्र चल रहा है, आप दुनिया भर की बातें हो रही हैं, ये बात नहीं होगी अगर आपकी कि कैसे आपको एक ज्वलंत मुद्दा जो विपक्ष समझता है ज्वलंत, आप उसको नकार दीजिए, उसको उठाने नहीं दिया जाता. 1 दिन नहीं, 2 दिन नहीं, 3 दिन नहीं, तो फिर कैसे हो सकता है गणतंत्र का? देखिए, मैं समझता हूँ हमला शब्द बहुत बहुत आदर सहित कहूँगा बेबुनियाद है. अपना एक विरोध प्रकट करना, अपनी पीड़ा प्रकट करना, अपना आक्रोश प्रकट करना किसी रूप से हमला नहीं कहा जा सकता.